In today's video, I will show you how to see your order history on Uber Eats. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Uber is a global technology company that offers smartphone apps to connect riders with drivers for on-demand transportation, food delivery, and freight services. Users can book rides, track their driver, see costs upfront, and pay through the apps. The platform utilizes a network of independent contractors and has expanded significantly from its origin as a ride-hailing service to include a variety of mobility and delivery solutions. And also, Uber have Uber is that an online food and grocery delivery platform created by Uber that allows users to order from local restaurants and merchants via mobile apps or web on browser. On my previous video, I've shown you how to order food, how to create account. But now, what if you want to check your order history on your Uber Eats? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Uber Eats apps, and from here, you can check your order from here. So from home, you can go to your profile by tap on the bottom right here, and you'll find there is an option orders. You can just tap on that. Here's on your past item, you'll be able to see your order history and you can reorder your favorite foods in here. Past orders. Here you'll be able to see your order history and reorder your favorites here. So here's where you can check your order history on Uber Eats. But because I haven't ordered anything on my Uber Eats, I have no history in here. And also you can check your order history in here. If you tap on your card and check on orders, here's your orders. It's very simple, right? So that is how to see your order history on Uber Eats. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.